Stampers, Deb Valder here, and I am here to show you another Halloween project. You remember when my granddaughter Izzy started kindergarten just a couple weeks ago, I made these for her class, and inside there was some little Smarties, so cute. There is a video on these on my blog, so you can go to my blog or my YouTube videos and you can see the pattern for these. They're just so super easy. But anyway, it's now Halloween and I would like to make these for her class, and for my grandson Jack, I'm going to make these for his little preschool class. All right, so a couple of other things that I did with this little skeleton stamp set, which happens to be my favorite out of the mini catalog. It's called Skeleton Stamps. It is so stinking cute. Absolutely adorable. Anyway, that's the stamp set that I use, but today what I'm going to use is the mini pillow die. It is adorable, absolutely adorable. You can put candy in there. You can use it as a favor for a wedding or a shower. It's just really adorable. And today I'm going to take it, I'm going to use it for, like I said, Izzy's little Halloween project or for her class, all right? So here's the mini pillow die. It is very, very tiny. I actually cut this out ahead of time. Let me just show you. Here's the die itself, and then here is the pillow when you cut it out. All right, so that is the mini pillow die. Let's get these little guys out of the way. What I put in these, do you guys remember? I have a video on this one also. I put some little spooky nail polish in there. Thought that was a cute color for Halloween. And then this one, remember this one? It was so cute, and I put a little bow in her hair. This is Lip Freak. It's called Freak Your Lips Out, the strongest buzzing lip balm in the whole world. I haven't tried it. It scares me to death. So I didn't try it. I just loaded this in there. But that little pattern is also on my blog, so make sure you kind of check that one out too. All right, so let's move these out of the way. I'm going to actually put these little guys inside there, the little erasers. I'm going to put them in there. So what I did was, the first thing I did was to cut out the little pillow die. I'm going to bring in my crease tool, and I'm going to bring in some of my Journey Craft glue. All right, so let's just fold these where they need to be folded. All right, I just kind of line everything up, get a good crease on that, and then take and fold this one right here. The score lines are already in there for you, so that's kind of neat. All right, and then I just fold that nice and crisp, okay? So there's our little pillow box all creased up. Now what I need to do is to put some adhesive on here. So what I do is I just take and just put a little bit on there. All right, you don't want to put it too close to the edge because you don't want it gooking out. All right, now what I like to do is to take our little clothespins and just put them on here. So what I'll do, because I do so many of these at once, and I actually am doing 50 of these, they're all cut out, glued, ready to go, and then I'm going to bring it with me, and Izzy and Jack are going to help me finish them up. I thought that would be really a lot of fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that one dry. I'm going to bring in one that I've already done, all right, and let's get started. So then these little guys right here, this just folds in like that. This folds in here like that. Same on this side. You'll put your little goodies on the inside, close that, and there's your little pillow die ready to be decorated. Now on this one, we used an embossing folder right here and embossed them also. But I figured for this little project and doing so many of them, I'm just going to take and I'm going to I'm not going to emboss them, all right? So the next thing that we did was we made a belly band, and this is our designer paper, and I'm going to just take some. I'm just going to take some of these journey dots, and I'm going to add one right here. Add that to the back end of this, all right, just like that. I'm going to bring it around. I'll grab my Grand Pro Shears here. This is such a fast project, even if you're doing 50 of them. All right, here we go. We're just going to cut this off like this. I'm going to grab another little journey dot right here. And see how fast this is? All right, so then what I did, so there's the front of it right there. And then what I did was I took my little stamp, and that would be, you can take any one of the little skeletons, but I happen to take this little guy because he looks like he's a walking and a talking. All right, I used my clear embossing ink, and then what I did was I put some white embossing powder out, and I just cut it with the little framelit here. This is a bundle. The Skeletons Dance has a bundle, and it has all of the dies to go along with it, which is super awesome. So you don't have to cut out by hand. If I had to cut out 50 of them by hand, I like to cut though, actually. But anyway, it's probably not everybody's cup of tea. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my little foam squares here and add it to the back of this little guy right here. All right, so I'll add one here and one here. And what I'm doing is I'm actually doing it so that the little belly band doesn't move. Even though it's nice and tight, I don't think that it will move too badly. All right, so we're going to add that to that right there. And that's all there is to this little project. Isn't that adorable? It's so cute. These little guys are adorable. That's it for today. I'm also going to put a little pencil with them so that they have a pencil and an eraser, and I think that would be a really cute little gift to give them. So cute. Nana is going to be the hit of this class. I hope you enjoyed my post for today. You take care, have a great day, and please stop by often. Thank you.